Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. I am Manju Dilip. Today I am going to start with the 12th standard mathematics topic, Applications of Derivatives Part 1. So we already studied in the previous video about differentiation and different types of differentiation. So today we are going to start with the new topic, Applications of Derivative in Geometry. So before that we can go through the topics in this chapter. The chapter name is Applications of Derivatives and the topics are Applications of Derivative in Geometry, Derivative as Rate Measures, Approximations, Rolle's Theorem and Lagrange's Mean Value Theorem, Increasing and Decreasing Function, and Maxima and Minima. So today we are going to start with Applications of Derivative in Geometry. So we'll start with the definition of this one. So let y is equal to f of x be a continuous function of x representing a curve in xy plane and p of x1, y1 be any point on the curve. Then derivative of y with respect to x at the point is equal to f dash x. First derivative at the point represents slope. So first derivative at that particular point is the slope of the given curve and called gradient of the tangent to the curve at p of x1 y1. The normal is perpendicular to the tangent. To find the normal, it will be perpendicular to the tangent. So once you are finding tangent, slope of tangent, then you can take the negative reciprocal of the value. Hence, the slope of normal at particular point P will be negative reciprocal of slope of tangent at P. Let M and M dash be the slopes of tangent and normal respectively. Then M can be found out, that means first slope can be found out by first derivative at that point, and M dash is equal to minus of 1 upon derivative at that point if dy upon dx at that point is not equal to 0. That means derivative not equal to 0. Equation of tangent at p of x1 y1 is given by, the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, that is y minus y1 is equal to derivative of this one at that point, that is the slope, into x minus x1. Equation of normal at p of x1 y1 is given by y minus y1 is equal to m dash into x minus x1, where m dash is equal to minus of 1 upon derivative of that point. So these are the two equations we are going to find. So find the equations of the tangents and normal to the curve at the point on it. The first question is y is equal to x square plus 2 e raised to x plus 2 at 0, 4. So given point x1, y1 is, x1 value is 0 and y1 value is 4. So given curve is this one. So differentiate with respect to x we get. To find the slope of this curve, we have to find this to find the slope of the tangent, we will take first derivative. So the dy upon dx is equal to 2x plus 2 e raised to x. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x also, and derivative 2 is 0. So dy upon dx at 0, 4 is equal to 2 into, in the place of x we are substituting 0, and in the place of, there is no y value. If it is y is there, you have to substitute this value 4. So 2 into 0 plus 2 into e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore, the slope of tangent at P04 is 2. Now, equation of tangent you can find out. So, therefore, the equation of tangent at P04 is y minus y1 is equal to f dash x into x minus x1. That is the point. So, y minus 4, in the place of y1 we are substituting 4 is equal to 2 into x minus x1 place we are substituting 0. That is y minus 4 is equal to 2x. 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 is the equation of tangent. The slope of normal at P04 is, once we are finding this one, we already found slope of tangent, that is 2. So slope of normal will be the negative reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. So negative of the reciprocal value is the slope of normal. Therefore, the equation of normal at P04 is y minus y1 is equal to m dash into x minus x1. So, m dash value is minus 1 upon 2, substituted that value. Cross multiplying this 2y minus 4 is equal to minus x. That is x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0 is the answer. That is equation of normal is x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Next question is 2xy plus pi sin y is equal to 2 pi at 1 pi by 2. So given equation we have written here. So differentiate with respect to x we get 2 into, this is product rule. So x into dy upon dx plus y into 1 plus pi derivative sin y is cos y dy upon dx is equal to derivative 2 pi 0. Now we'll take dy upon dx outside. So 2x dy upon dx plus 2y plus pi cos y dy upon dx is equal to 0. I can take dy upon dx outside. So 2x plus pi cos y is equal to, we are taking this term to the right hand side, that is minus 2y. dy upon dx is equal to minus 2y upon 2x plus pi cos y, cross multiplied. So dy upon dx at the point 1 pi by 2 is equal to minus 2 into, in the place of y we are substituting pi by 2, upon 2 into 1, that is 2, plus pi cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 and 2 pi by 2, 2 and 2 cancel, so minus pi upon 2 plus 0, that is minus pi by 2. So slope of tangent is minus pi by 2. So equation of tangent of at that point is pi y minus, in the place of y1 we are substituting pi by 2, that's equal to slope is minus pi by 2 into x minus x1 is 1. So that is y minus pi by 2 is equal to minus pi by 2 to x minus into minus plus pi by 2. So pi by 2 x plus y, this minus pi by 2 and this minus pi by 2 is minus 2 pi by 2 equal to 0. Taking LCM, and this 2 and 2 is cancelled. Taking LCM, pi x plus 2y minus 2 pi equal to 0 is the equation of tangent. Similarly, slope of normal at that point is minus of reciprocal of this is minus of 1 upon minus pi by 2, that is 2 pi. So equation of normal is y minus y1, that is pi by 2 is equal to m dash is 2 upon pi into x minus 1. Then cross multiplying this pi into y minus pi by 2 is equal to 2x minus 2. So pi y minus pi square upon 2, pi into pi square upon 2 is equal to 2x minus 2. So taking LCM, 2 pi y minus pi square is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4x minus 4. That is 4x minus 2 pi y plus pi square minus 4 is equal to 0 is the answer. Next question is x equal to sin theta and y equal to cos 2 theta at theta equal to pi upon 6. So this is parametric form of differentiation. So differentiating with respect to theta, dx upon d theta is equal to cos theta and dy upon d theta is derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus sin 2 theta into derivative 2 theta is 2. So dy upon dx is equal to dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta. Substituting these values, minus 2 sin 2 theta upon cos theta, that is minus 2 into sin 2 theta value is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Then cancelling this cos and this cos, we will get minus 4 sin theta. Now at the point theta equal to pi by 6, minus 4 sin pi by 6 is equal to minus 4 into 1 upon 2, that is equal to minus 2. So slope of tangent is minus 2. So at pi by 6 we don't have the point in this question. So but xy is given properly. So we can substitute the theta value in the place of x equal to sin theta. So we will sin theta and cos 2 theta will become sin pi by 6 comma cos 2 pi by 6. So sin pi by 6 sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Cos pi upon 3 will become 1 upon 2 again. So equation of tangent at P 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 is y minus y1 is 1 upon 2 is equal to slope is minus 2 into x minus 1 upon 2. So taking LCM, 2y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 2 into 2x minus 1 upon 2. 2 cancel both the denominators. So 2y minus 1 is equal to minus 4x plus 2. Now this 4x we can take to the left hand side. 4x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 is the equation of tangent here. Similarly, slope of normal at this point is, before that we found this one, minus 2. So here the slope of normal at p of 1 upon 2 is negative reciprocal, that is 1 upon 2. So equation of normal we can find out as it is y minus y1 is equal to m dash into x minus x1. So again 2y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2x minus 1 upon 2, 2 cancelled, and cross multiplying this 2, 4y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1, that is 2x, we are taking this to the right hand side, that is minus y, 4y, and minus 2 will become plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1 equal to 0 is the final answer for this question. Next question is, find the point on the curve y equal to root of x minus 3 where the tangent is perpendicular to the line 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So here you have to find that point. X1, y1 is not given, that you have to find out. But one curve is given, and where the tangent is perpendicular, the curve of the curve's tangent is perpendicular to the line. One line is also given. So let p x1 y1, we are assuming that point p x1 y1 be the point on the curve where the tangent is perpendicular to the line 6x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. The slope of the line we can find out by using this formula. Ax plus by plus c format is given. So slope is minus a upon b, that is minus 2. So slope of the tangent. What is slope of the tangent? Tangent is perpendicular to the line. We found this slope of this line. So this is perpendicular means it is 1 upon 2. It is minus 2. So minus into this one is, we know that the product is minus 1. So we are using that. So given curve is y is equal to root y x minus 3. Differentiating, we are getting 1 upon 2 root x minus 3. And at x1 the point will become 1 upon 2 into root of x1 minus 3. So slope of tangent we found like this also, that is 1 upon 2 into root of x1 minus 3. So slope of tangent we got 1 upon 2, and this also, both are same. So we can equating both sides, 1 upon 2 to cancel. So root of x1 minus 3 is equal to 1. Cross multiply it. So squaring both sides, x1 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore we got x1 is equal to 4. Now we will substitute this value in this function. So x1 y1 be the curve. So this will become y1 is equal to root of x1 minus 3. x1 value we already found that 4. So substituting that value, 4 minus 3. So y is equal to root 1. So that is, therefore y is equal to plus or minus 1. We are getting two values here. We have to consider both the values. Thus the points on the curve are x1 value is 4 and y1 there are two values. So 4 1 and 4 minus 1 are the 2 points on the curve. Now some exercise questions are given to you. Find the equations of the tangents and normal to the curve at the point on it. Two questions are given. One is different question, so you have to find out. Thank you.